The twin islands of Trinidad and Tobago are the southernmost islands in the Caribbean. The Piarco International Airport, located in the town of Piarco, is beautifully nestled in the Caroni Plains, providing a breathtaking view of the northern range for passengers as their plane makes its descent into Trinidad. The A&R Robinson International Airport is located in our sister Isle of Tobago. The Piarco Airport was built by the French in 1930 and was taken over by Trinidad and Tobago in 1939. In 1962, the first air traffic control tower was built on top of the Piarco Terminal building. Trinidad and Tobago became a signatory to Chicago Convention in 1963. In keeping with international obligations, in 2001, the TTCAA was established by an Act of Parliament, taking over the responsibilities for civil aviation. Its vision to ensure the highest levels of safety, security, and effectiveness in the Trinidad and Tobago aviation industry. In 2012, a major transformation took place. The civil aviation complex was built with a new air traffic control tower and an ultra-modern area control center. Safety and security is of paramount importance, so when you board an aircraft, it's good to know that aviation inspectors have been on the job and that all aircraft flying in and out of Trinidad and Tobago meet international safety and security standards. One way this is done is careful and extensive inspection of the aircraft. Aviation inspectors are specialized in flight operations, cabin safety and dangerous goods, airworthiness, licensing, economic regulations, aviation security. So their knowledge is often put to use in additional ways, from accident investigations to licensing examinations for industry workers. The goal of the inspector is to make sure every flight is as safe as possible.
Caribbean Airlines 5 by this 1133 considerations runway 10
The Piarco Flight Information Region is one of the largest air spaces in the region, consisting of 750,000 square miles. Our Air Navigation Services Division provides specialist aviation services required to guide the aircraft safely to its destination. Through innovation and the latest training equipment, we are looking at the new generation to help bring us into the future of air traffic control, as well as assist the airlines to become safer and more efficient. Air traffic control training, as well as corporate training, are conducted at our very own Civil Aviation Training Center. The CATC is the leader in advanced ATC training in the region, taking training to new flight levels. The CATC is accredited by the Accreditation Council of Trinidad and Tobago. The CATC is an ICAO Train Air Plus member, an authorized training center for IATA, and it is affiliated with the Civil Aviation Academy in Singapore. It also delivers programs for the University of Southern California. It takes flexibility and a high degree of responsiveness to meet the dynamic needs of the industry. That's why we invest heavily in human resource and technology. The TTCAA has a talented workforce that works behind the scenes to keep the divisions organized, equipped, and informed. The TTCAA is the technological leader in air traffic management and communication system upgrades in the region, with services reaching miles locally, regionally, and internationally. We believe in the art of cooperation, supported by over 200 motivated employees. Whether we are at the office or in the air, what sets the TTCAA apart is our relentless pursuit of excellence. The Trinidad and Tobago Civil Aviation Authority is seeking out opportunities and learning to be safer, more efficient, greener, and more sustainable. The boundaries of what is achievable is always changing. We believe that the story never ends.